Today, we're diving into exciting rumors surrounding the Samsung Galaxy Watch lineup and what could potentially be a game-changer for smartwatch enthusiasts. If whispers from the tech world are to be believed, 2025 might mark the return of the classic model, a nostalgic nod to Samsung's iconic designs from years past. Let's unravel the details, analyze the hints, and speculate on what this could mean for Samsung's future in the wearable tech space. A glimpse into the rumors. The buzz began when SmartPrix uncovered a GSMA database entry for a smartwatch under the model number SM-L55U, believed to be the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. This revelation suggests a possible revival of the classic variant, which was conspicuously absent in some recent releases. Historically, Samsung's classic models have been synonymous with premium materials, refined aesthetics, and most notably, the rotating bezel, a feature that has captivated users since its debut. What the GSMA leak tells us. The GSMA registration hints at a device with cellular connectivity, and the specific variant appears designed for the US market. While Samsung has yet to make an official announcement, such registrations typically precede major launches, giving fans a glimpse of what's to come. The SM-L55U model number aligns with Samsung's previous smartwatch nomenclature, strengthening the case for the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic being more than just a rumor. A return to form? If the classic model does indeed make a comeback in 2025, it will continue Samsung's tradition of offering multiple variants in their Galaxy Watch lineup. Let's take a moment to reflect on Samsung's release history. 2023, we saw the introduction of the Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic, bringing back the rotating bezel to much fanfare. 2022, the classic model was skipped entirely, with Samsung opting for the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro instead. 2021, both the Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic were launched, setting a precedent for dual releases. The sporadic presence of the classic variant makes its potential return all the more intriguing, especially for fans of timeless designs combined with cutting-edge technology. Rotating bezel, a star feature. One of the defining features of the classic models has always been the rotating bezel, a unique navigation tool that combines practicality with style. This feature allows users to scroll through menus, adjust settings, and interact with the watch's interface in a tactile and intuitive way. Its absence in certain models was met with disappointment, making its potential return a significant selling point. If the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic incorporates the bezel, it could position itself as a premium smartwatch catering to users who prioritize both functionality and aesthetics. For many, the rotating bezel is more than just a design element. It's a hallmark of the Galaxy Watch identity. What about the standard Galaxy Watch 8? Alongside the rumored classic model, Samsung is expected to launch the standard Galaxy Watch 8, continuing their trend of dual releases. While the classic models cater to those seeking premium features, the standard versions often target a broader audience, offering core functionality at a more accessible price point. Together, these models create a diverse lineup, ensuring there's a Galaxy Watch for everyone. Why 2025 could be a pivotal year for Samsung smartwatches. The smartwatch market is becoming increasingly competitive, with brands like Apple, Garmin, and Fitbit pushing the envelope. For Samsung, the return of the classic model could serve as a strategic move to solidify its position in the premium smartwatch segment. Here's why 2025 might be the perfect time for this revival. Consumer demand for nostalgia. Tech enthusiasts often gravitate toward designs that blend nostalgia with innovation. The rotating bezel is a prime example of this. Expanding market trends. As wearables become more integral to health tracking and daily productivity, offering diverse options, like the classic and standard models, can help Samsung appeal to a wider demographic. Innovation versus tradition. By bringing back beloved features while incorporating new technology, Samsung can strike a balance between tradition and progress. Key features to watch out for. While details about the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic remain speculative, here's what we might expect based on Samsung's track record and industry trends. Premium build materials, stainless steel or titanium, ensuring durability and a luxurious feel. Advanced health tracking, enhanced heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and potentially new sensors for metrics like blood pressure or glucose levels. Improved battery life, a must-have for users who demand more from their wearables. Wear OS 4 integration, leveraging the latest software innovations for seamless performance. Customizable watch faces, expanding personalization options for users. While nothing has been officially confirmed, the evidence points to a strong possibility of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic making its debut in 2025. For fans of Samsung's smartwatch lineup, this is thrilling news. A return to the rotating bezel, coupled with the brand's signature blend of style and functionality, could make the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic a standout in the wearables market. Stay tuned to technology in the future for updates as this story develops. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a Galaxy Watch loyalist, or just someone looking for their next smartwatch, 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more in-depth coverage of the latest tech trends. Here's to a year filled with innovation, nostalgia, and all the gadgets you've been dreaming of.